this is Lisa from Peanuts and Peppers Paper Crafting. Today I'm going to show you how to create a coordinating card box for the Stampin' Up! Notes of Cheer card kit. Not only is it quick and easy, but also this card box can be used for other card sets as well. So let's go ahead and get started. First, I would like to thank Susan Wong for the directions for the card box. These make wonderful gifts, and I will be making them for years to come. This is the Stampin' Up! Notes of Cheer card kit. This kit makes 9 cards with coordinating envelopes, and these are the 3 types of cards that comes with it. You get this butterfly card that says "You're on my mind" and "In my heart." This is the card, and then that's the envelope. A little note of cheer. This is the card, and again the coordinating envelope. Then you have "You Make Life Brighter," a beautiful little butterfly note card, and then here's the envelope. What's great about this kit is that there's no stamping involved, so you can quickly make this in one sitting. Everything comes with the kit. It comes in a box just like this, and I left 3 out so you can see how I assemble my cards. I take the pieces apart and put them in envelopes, and then I go back in here, my embellishments, and assemble the card together. This is my card box, and this card box will hold all of these cards and envelopes. I'm using the Pattern Party 12x12 Designer Series paper. You can get this as a hostess reward when you host a party of $150 or more. This kit is also a part of the Stampin' Up! Kits collection. And right now we have 10 different kits that you get to pick whichever one you like. No alternatives are needed, and you can make the kits as is. So let's make our card box. I'm going to set these cards aside. Again, here's my card box. Here's the front and the back. And I've made a little gift tag. So again, this would make a perfect gift for anyone. I'm going to start with a piece of thick basic white cardstock. This is 9 by 6.5. I put the short side at the top of my Stampin' Trimmer, and using a scoring blade, I scored it at 1 inch on each side, and you can see my score lines. Then I put the long side inside my Stampin' Trimmer using the scoring blade. I scored it at 4 inches and 5 inches. Now simply what I'm going to do is take out these middle pieces. I'm just going to cut them completely off. One, two, and this is what you'll have. Now, this is that Pattern Party 12x12 Designer Series paper. There are multiple prints in this package, and I love this flower print that's the first sheet in the pack. So what I've done is I've cut 2 pieces at 4 by 4.5, and what I'm going to do is adhere them in the top or the back and front of my card box. Turning it around. Here's my second piece. I have the sniffles. My allergies have kicked in, here down in southern Louisiana. All right, now what I want to do, I'm going to take some tear and tape, or I can use the Stampin' Seal. Let's see, let's put a strip of Stampin' Seal here, and we'll take it. Well, before I close it, let's do this side as well. And I want to close these sides up. Okay, this is what you should have now. Next, what I want to do, I'm going to use a twin circle punch. You can also use one of the layering circle dies. I'm going to come in, take my punch, make sure it's centered. And make a little notch. And then the last thing I want to do, I've made this gift tag. And this is using the new tailor-made tags dies. And you get a beautiful set of layering tags with the different types of holes that you can mix and match. So I know I'll be using these all year long as well. And I've done that. I've cut my tags out. Now my sentiment comes from the new Threw It Together stamp set, and that's what I stamped the last tag with this pale papaya in color ink. This is one of my favorite new in colors. I'm an orangey girl, so this color was right up my alley. And then this is the Pale Papaya 3/8 woven ribbon. I'm tying this, and then I'll move my tag over. Oops. Let's see here. Here we go. Okay, bow. Hopefully I can get this. All right, there it goes. Let's see if I can straighten it out some here. Bows can be so funny. I think the bow is taking longer than the box itself. All right, let's see here. Let's see if I can just move this over a little bit. Okay, there we go. And then I'm going to trim off these ends. There we go. Then we slide this down. We can take our cards and envelopes and put them inside. And there you have it. I'll probably switch this back around once I'm off camera. But there, you have a cute little card box to hold your Notes of Cheer card kits and envelopes. I hope you found this project to be very simple. If you want to see more of my projects, you can visit me at peanutsandpepperspapercrafting.com. You can shop with me at lisaflemming.stampinup.net. You can also find me on Pinterest, Facebook, and Instagram. Thank you for stopping by. Happy stamping!